next guest is making one of the more innovative phones that we've seen ever. And you're going to find out why in just a minute. Can you imagine a smartphone where the front of it is a smartphone? Thank you very much. Very, very cool. But the back of it, turn it around, it's not just the back. It's an e-reader on the back. The sales director for a company called Siswoo is Oscar Remon.
Correct.
How are you, sir?
Hi, I'm fine. Thank you.
Glad to have you with us. Tell us, first of all, about Siswoo. Interesting company name. Does it mean something? I'm guessing Chinese company, perhaps.
Yes. Well, it's mixed Chinese, mixed European.
Okay. Very good.
So, well, Siswoo is a new brand. We just started a few months ago. Well, we released last March in the MWC in Barcelona.
Okay, sure. Mobile World Congress. We're always broadcasting from there in Barcelona.
Yep, that's it. And, well, Siswoo, as I told you, is Chinese and European. We create this brand with a Chinese branch and two branches in Europe, one in Germany and another one in Spain. We are all working as a group, and this is how we started.
So you're coming up with some different, innovative ideas,
yes,
and not just another smartphone company.
Yes, correct. Yeah, we don't want to be another smartphone company.
Yeah.
We have many.
There's enough of those.
Yes, I think there are enough.
Yeah.
So our purpose is to make something different, always different. So that's why we create Siswoo. Think we are doing something that no one has done before, and this is our main point for the success. Hopefully.
Yeah, gotcha. and thus, the R9 Dark Moon is what it's called, right?
Yes.
Which right away I thought, you know, when your public relations guy, Peter, good friend of the show for many, many years,
yes,
and I see how he's sitting right behind Josh doing the audio so that he can be on camera, was telling us about the Dark Moon. I'm thinking, Dark Moon, it sounds like an evil game or something. How'd you come up with that name for a smartphone?
We wanted to offer the dark moon of a smartphone. So
not the bright sun,
yes,
but the dark moon.
Other side, the other side.
I get it, because look what happens. Okay, now, sorry, Chris. Chris was coming down to the phone, and it's like, okay, show me. So here's the smartphone, as one would normally expect a smartphone. And see, it's not a dummy. It's a real phone. It's actually working. And look what happens when I flip it around back. It's an e-reader. Oh, let me angle it so we're not getting the glare from all of our TV lights. But that's very cool. So what possessed you to think that this is something certainly innovative and unique, but that folks would want this?
Yes. Well, the main point of this mobile phone is we have been working very hard in our R&D department to offer something that no one can offer before. We are not just doing a mobile phone with a mirror on the back screen. We are working on offering a launcher. Is to offer the e-readers another experience. So it's not the same on the front screen than the back screen. Okay, we work to offer another smartphone on the back screen. So it has the proper launcher, it has the proper everything. It's completely new.
So you were saying that there was the possibility of just two smart screen phones, and then you thought, well, that would be silly. You already got it, right?
Yes.
So turn it over, be more productive. In this case, an e-reader.
Yes.
I like it. Well, that really opens the door to all kinds of possibilities.
Yes,
about what else you might have on the back side.
You can have your own phone. I mean, you can have your own apps for the ebooks. You can have your own apps for games, for social media, apps, for everything. Everything you have to download it on the back screen.
So is this something that Siswoo is planning for future models, to be able to say we're giving all these other options, or now even can you do different things?
Yes, you can now do this kind of things.
Very cool. And the phone, of course, is a dual band and Wi-Fi capable, so it's a phone you can pretty much use anywhere.
Yes, correct.
And so it's not a specific carrier?
No, well, the mobile phone, actually the front screen is amazing. I mean, it's a Full HD, but we work lot of time to offer this quality of Full HD. It's not just a normal Full HD. You can see the quality of the screen is It's not just a normal FreeUSD. The quality is much better.
And it's going to look even better when you have the free Into Tomorrow app on there.
Yes, yes,
So,
of course.
which, if your public relations guy, Peter, was good, he would have said, put that on quick before the show. But he's getting old. But is Dark Moon available now?
Now, this is our highlight for the IFA trade show.
Something you're introducing.
We are
here.
releasing the mobile phone here. We are offering to the customers and everybody who want to visit us and see it. And it will be ready in approximately in 1st of October, something like this.
But in time for the holidays, it sounds like.
Holidays, yes, that's for the point.
What a cool gift for someone who has everything electronic.
Yes.
Well, they don't have this yet.
Yes,
and
correct.
that might be something to think about. Think about the Siswoo Dark Moon, the R9 Dark Moon, and then especially if somebody who is also into reading, and you don't want to just read a book on a smartphone, you want to flip it over and have it as your e-reader.
Yes,
and
you can have the experience.
Yeah, that makes it much more fun. And tell me real quick about the other phones you have, because it's not just the Dark Moon.
Yes,
we've got other planets or something. What else do we have?
We are now focused on our highlights.
Right.
But we have a full range of products.
Like in this case, here's the chocolate.
Yes, the chocolate.
That's what this is.
Correct. This is the chocolate series. We have this model in 3 different sizes. Okay, so the same design in 4 inches, same design in 4.5 and 5 inches.
Very good.
So
and it's called chocolate because it looks like a chocolate bar,
yes.
I guess. Yeah. Okay.
We should change the back with the...
Yeah, you should.
Yes.
Put Hershey's
We
or
will
something.
make some cases.
That's going to be good marketing. I like that. Now, that's the chocolate, and I'm seeing here also longbow.
Yes.
What's different about the longbow
Longbow.
version?
This is one of the series, and this is the other. This is the C series. Okay, the C series is also a low entry series. The mobiles are quite cheap, and they are offering as well quite good specifications. They have always using the latest chips with 64 bits, with the good screen resolutions.
Yeah, really nice screen.
And also 1 GB RAM and many other specs that for this price is absolutely good.
Yeah, and what is the price?
The price, yes.
For
the
this
price is 145 euros. We are releasing now in Europe.
Okay.
And for next step, which is going to the US, I guess it will be around 150, 60 US
especially
dollars.
because the euro and the dollar are closer together than they've been in our 13 years coming here.
Correct.
So that's kind of interesting. Well, do check out the longbow and the chocolate and, of course, the Dark Moon, among many other things. You'll see what Oscar and his team are up to. Oscar Remon from Siswoo, thank you for joining us. Of course, Siswoo, it's SISWOO.com. And we'll link you there. Of course, visit us at intotomorrow.com. Check out the video, if you're listening on the radio at the moment, of all of the radio interviews, and you'll see these cool phones we're talking about. Thanks for joining us here at IFA.
Thank you so much.
Back with more from Berlin, Germany. I'm Dave Graveline. This is Into Tomorrow on the Advanced Media Network.